Hey everybody, it's Jaime Zabidi. Somebody just asked me, do I still think it's possible to build a successful listing on Amazon? And am I worried about the competition there is out there? Everybody has thousands of reviews. And the answer is, of course, it's still possible to build a successful listing on Amazon. I'm not worried about the reviews. You can build a listing very, very strong and you can surpass your competition. Obviously, there are certain categories that are just flooded and everybody has 10, 20, 30,000 reviews. If you see that you can't find one or two people that have maybe a small amount of reviews, like 100, 200, 300 reviews. If you don't see anybody like that selling it decently, then it is more competitive than most categories. But if you do see people that have 1, 2, 300 reviews and they're selling it well, then you know that you can get into that product. So that's the first thing. You shouldn't be afraid to get into a product or a new category as long as you do your product research. And the most important thing is knowing what keywords you're going to target. That you have to know from the beginning because that's where all the sales are going to come from. It's going to come from when somebody types in a keyword and they search for that keyword and you pop up on Amazon. So what are we doing here? I'm going to show you a listing that it's about a week old, maybe a little less than a week old. We already got it to the top page for the main keyword, and it's having an effect where all the other keywords that have the same phrase in it are also being ranked and also getting up to the top organically, meaning we don't have to pay per click, and that's how we build successful listings. I'm going to show you here right now. Okay guys, so over here, this is Helium 10. We're tracking 13 keywords, and these are all the keywords we ever need to look at. Really, it's probably like half of this, maybe 6 or 7 keywords that if we just focus on, we'll build this into $1 million listing. But we have 13 here just to see the traction on everything. It's a brand new listing. You can see over here, if we go to view BSR history, we can see where it was ranked. So you can see over here, 1024, that's when I guess first appeared in Amazon search results. You know, this product's only a few days old, less than a week. 1024, we were in the 249,000 rank. Then the next day we went to 116, 85. Now if you fluctuate all over here, if you scroll down, 71,000. So we're ranked 71,000 now. We were ranked 250,000 a few days ago. 71,000 is not a great rank at all, but we have 0 reviews on this product. You know, not even one Vine review came in yet. And we're getting it ranked. We're getting it ranked organically. We're planting all these seeds. So you can see over here, this keyword, I'm not going to say it out loud because the client would not be happy about that, but this keyword right here has 27,000 people searching for it a month. And we are in the 9th spot right now. We were in the 8th spot earlier. We're in the 9th spot now. It's fluctuating all the time, every hour on the hour. But let's look over here. You can see we were in the 159th spot on 1024, and then 67th spot on 1025, and then the 48th spot, 1026, and then 1027. Right now, we are in the 9th spot. It's going to keep growing. It's going to keep getting better and better. We want to get this to the 2nd position, 1st or 2nd position. I don't know why I said 2nd, 1st. And if you look over here at the graph, we'll see that we actually hit the 3rd spot yesterday. So the product's less than a week old, 4 days old exactly, and we hit the 3rd spot for the main search term organically. You can see this graph, it's going in the right direction. You know, if it's going up and up and up, that's how you know it's working. So we're at a great spot right here, and we're not even sponsoring it. Like you can see over here, sponsored rank. There's no sponsored rank over here. This is the average sponsor rank. We're not sponsoring it for this term, and we are ranking it amazingly. So this term went up, and then what happened? There's words over here, I don't want to say it out loud, these words inside this phrase that all these other words are containing. So all these other words, you know, they all randomly at the same time, now they're all getting indexed and ranked for. So this word over here is in the 36th spot. That has 7,000 people searching for it a month. This one is in the 39th spot. It has 9,000 people. And like everything is going to continue to go up and up. Look, it was in the 21st spot yesterday. And this one over here, it was in the 36th spot. So like everything's going to continue to increase and go up in the right direction. And like if you see fluctuations, that's normal because Amazon's fluctuating every hour on the hour. But look how we're focusing on one keyword and it's affecting all these other keywords. This one, 19,000 searches. We are not advertising for this term and we appeared in the 72nd spot and then the 61st spot. And this one also over here, 115th spot, 92nd spot. So we're ranking this product amazingly. The Vine reviews should come in right away, hopefully in the next few weeks. And that's it. And we built $1 million product. Just wanted to show this to you guys. Doesn't matter how competitive the product is. If you do your research, you'll find a way, you'll find a keyword that you can rank for and that you can get in. And yeah, if anyone has any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.